Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn a new topic, that is comparing angles without superimposition, chapter 2, lines and angles. Here is a funny example to begin with. Two cranes are arguing about who can open their mouth wider. That means whose beak makes a bigger angle. To check this, let us first draw the angles formed by their beaks. But here comes the question, how do we know which angle is bigger if we cannot cut, trace or superimpose the angles? First we'll draw the two arms. The first arm is A and the second arm is B and the vertex is as O. And same as we will draw the for second crane also. Here also we'll draw the two arms. The first arm is Y and the second arm is X and the vertex as O. How do we know which one is bigger? As seen before, one could trace these angles, superimpose them and then check. But can we do it without superimposition? Suppose we have a transparent circle which can be moved and placed on figures. Can we use this for comparison? Let us place the circular paper on the angle made by the first crane. The circle is placed in such a way that it center on the vertex of the angle. So here I took a transparent circle sheet and I am going to place a sheet on the angle made by the first crane. We keep the center of the circle exactly on the vertex of the angle. Now wherever two arms of the angle cut the circle, we mark those points, say A and B. The angle is represented as angle AOB with O as the vertex. Next we lift this circular sheet and place it on the second crane angle. Again we make the vertex of the angle coincide with the center of the circle. One arm of the angle passes through OX as before. Now we check where the other arm cuts the circle. Let's call that point as Y. So here again based on that I drawn two arms A and B and the vertex as O for the first crane. Can we use this to find out if this angle is greater or equal to or smaller than the angle made by the second crane? Yes. Now it is very easy. Just look at the arc. If B is further away from A than Y, so angle AOB is bigger than the angle XOY. So by simply using a transparent circle, we can check which angle is greater without cutting, tracing or superimposing. Which crane was making the bigger angle? The first crane was making a bigger angle. So today we learned how to compare angles without superimposition with the help of a transparent circle sheet. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more interesting math lessons. Thank you. See you in the next video.